Okay, good morning. No, not good morning. Good afternoon, everyone. Yeah. So last week we finished our lesson about solving quadratic equations. So now we're going to study about solving simultaneous equation. Okay, so this lesson is on page 222 from your book. Okay. If you have your books there, okay, please open it on page 222. Okay. Okay, let us answer number 1. All right, so when we say simultaneous equation, it means that the value of x and y if in two equations, okay, you can see some examples, right? On page 222, exercise 13I. Okay, when we say a simultaneous equation, the value of x and y are the same, okay, in two equations. All right? Now let us have some examples. Okay, solve each of these pairs of simultaneous equations. So for letter A, x plus y equals 15, and then y equals 2x. Now we have to find the value of x and y. So we can name this as equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Okay, so I hope all of you are listening. So since the second equation, okay, tells that the value of y is equal to 2x. So it means that this equation number 2, I can substitute this one into equation 1. So the equation 1 will become x plus 2x equals 15. Okay, why 2x? Because it says in equation number 2, it says that the value of y is 2x. So we have x plus 2x is 3x equals 15. So all over 3. So x is equal to 5. Okay, so that's the value of x for question letter A. Okay, for equation 2, to find the value of y, so just substitute your value of x. So y equals 2x, y equals 2 times 5, so y is equal to 10. Now to check your answer, let's check. Okay, from equation 1, we have your x is 5, right? So 5 plus 10 equals 15. So 15 equals 15. And equation number 2, y equals 2x. So y is 10, right? And then 2 times 5. Then 10 equals 10. Okay, so that's how to solve. That's the basic one. Okay, so we are not yet finished in here. So we will answer letter B. Let's proceed. Okay, you can take photos take a photo of it, and then, or you can, what do you call this? You can screenshot. All right. Next, for letter B. Okay, for letter B, so x is equal to 3y, and then x plus y equals 24. So this is equation 1, this is equation number 2. Okay. So we can see that equation 1 says that x is equal to 3y. So it means that this equation 1, I can substitute it in equation number 2. So it will become 3y plus y equals 24. Then 4y equals 24 over 4 over 4. So y is equal to 6. Okay, so next one, how to find the value of x. Okay, I will use green. So x is equal to 3y, x is equal to 3 times 6, x is equal to 18. So I will not show you how to check. Okay, to check this one, so it will be, okay, it's your responsibility now. Okay. So we are only on the basic part, okay? Maybe I will discuss everything, so that on Thursday I'm going to give you some exercises again. And by the way, next on Tuesday, Miss Apple and Sister Jane will come to our class. So please, on Tuesday, open your camera. Again, on Tuesday in our class, Miss Apple and Sister Jane will come, okay, in our Google Classroom. So please open your camera. Thank you. Next, let's proceed to letter C. So x plus y is equal to 80, then y equals 4x. So equation number 1, equation number 2. Right? So equation number 2 says that y equals 4x. So we can substitute it to the first equation. So x plus 4x equals 80. So we have 5x equals 80 over 5 over, not 15, over 5. So x is equal to, how many is this? 80 divided by 5, 16. Then for value of y, so y is equal to 4 times 16. How many is 4 times 16? We have 64. Okay. So for number 2 on your book, so I'm sure that there's no need for me to explain it, okay, because they are the same with number 1 questions or set questions of number 1. So I will proceed now to number 3, okay, because they have the same pattern. Okay, next, number 3. Okay, solve each of these pairs of simultaneous equation. So one of the methods of what do you call this? Of solving simultaneous equation is solving by elimination. Okay, elimination. Okay, just like in the contest, elimination round. Okay, in speech festival, right? Elimination round, it means you will choose which one to be removed. Okay. Eliminate. Okay, so you should remove one. So for letter A, so we have x plus y equals 20, and then x minus y equals 6. Okay, let's line it up. Okay, so how are we going to do it? So you can see that we have positive y and negative y. So we are going to add so that you can eliminate y, because y minus y is 0. So we have 2x. X plus x is 2x. So we have 26 over 2 over 2. So x is equal to 13. Okay, you are going to add, solving by elimination. So from the word elimination, so we just eliminated y. Now, how are we going to find the value of y? So you can choose between equation 1 and 2. You can choose either of this, okay? So let's see if we can have the same answer. If I choose 1 and then the other choose number 2. So if I will choose 1, so x plus y equals 20. So we have 13 plus y equals 20. So y equals 20 minus 13. Y equals to, how many is this? 7. Now, for example, Yatika choose number 2. Example, Yatika use number 2, not 1. So we have x minus y equals 6. X is 13 minus y equals 6. So since negative y, so I can move it here to become positive, and 6 on the other side. So 13 plus, not plus, minus. 13 minus 6 equals positive y, so we have 7 equals y. So as you can see, either number 1 or 2 you use to find the other value of x or y, you can have the same answer as long as your solutions are correct. Okay, choose only one. Okay, don't answer 2 equations. Okay, next. Okay, I will teach until for 45 minutes na, until 1:15, because I have a lot of examples here. So letter B. Okay, let's proceed. So we have y plus x equals 23, and then y minus x equals 5. Okay, so again, we can use addition, and then since we can see that one positive x, one negative x, so we can eliminate x for this equation. So not always y, okay? Sometimes it's x. So y plus y is 2y. So we have 28 over 2. So y is equal to 14. Okay, so I will choose only one, all right? Because I just proven that, what do you call this? Any of these two equations you will use for the second one or the second variable, you will have the same answer. Okay, so I will use equation 1. So y plus x equals 23. So we have 14 plus x equals 23. So x is equal to 23 minus 14. Okay, 23 minus 14. So we have 9. So if we will check, okay, by looking at the equation, so 14 plus 9 is 23, and 14 minus 9 is 5. Okay, by looking at it, so no need to write. By looking at your answer, you can see that your answer is correct or not. Okay. Next, letter C. So x plus y equals 6, and then x minus y equals 14. Okay, so add, so eliminate y, so we have 2x equals 20. So x is equal to 10. And then I will choose equation 1. X plus y equals 6. X is 10 plus y equals 6. We have y equals 6 minus 10, negative 4. So to check, so 10 plus negative 4 is 6. 10 plus negative or minus negative 4, or it will become plus. So 10 plus 4 is 14. Okay, so we will not yet go to some word problems. Okay, so not yet. So I want to focus first on this kind of questions. So for number 4, okay, so it's almost the same with set number 1. No. Okay. Okay. So for number 4, okay, let me explain number 4. Okay, number 4. Okay, solve each of these pairs of simultaneous equations. So we have y equals 2x plus 3, and then y equals 8x. Okay, so since you can see that they are both y, so we can arrange equation 1, okay, to change the what do you call this, equation, or rearrange the equation. So I can arrange it by, okay, moving here the y and then 3 on the other side. So it will become 2x minus y equals negative 3. Okay, I will elaborate. So first step, okay, so that you can follow, okay, x plus 3. So it will become, okay, change na. So we have negative 3 equals 2x minus y. Or I can rewrite it as 2x minus y equals negative 3. Okay, so this will be my equation 1. And then I will use equation number 2. Okay, so we have 2x minus y equals 8x, just like what we did on set question number 1. So we have 8x equals negative 3. So we have negative 6x equals negative 3 over negative 6, negative 6. So x is equal to, so positive, positive. So we have 1 and 2. So negative 1/2. Oh no, not negative, sorry. Positive 1/2. Yes, okay. So next, so to find the value of y, I will change 8x, right? So y is equal to 8 times 1/2. So 1/2 of 8, okay, is 4. Okay. Next, letter B. Okay, letter B, so we have x plus y equals 20, and then y is equal to 3x minus 20, minus 2. So in arrangement, okay, in arrangement of the equation, it is fine because we have y equals 3x minus 2. So we can substitute this into equation number 1. So x plus 3x minus 2 equals 20. So x plus 3x equals 20 plus 2. Okay, by transposing it. Okay, let's remove. You can remove this if you want. Okay. Next, we have 4x equals 22 over 4 over 4. X is equal to divided by 2. We have 11 over 2. Okay. No need for the decimal. Now to find the value of y, okay, y equals 3x minus 2, right? Okay, 3x minus 2. So y equals 3, 11 over 2 minus 2. Oh, what is this? 33 over 2 minus 2. So multiply by 2 over 2 minus, how many is this? 4 over 2. So we have 33 minus 4, 29. 29 over 2. Or maybe we can make it decimal. 14.5. If only 0.5, okay, it's okay to write in decimal. But if the answer has a lot of decimal numbers, so better not to write it. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, let us see. Let us see, so we have y equals 2x minus 4 plus 4, sorry. And then y equals 10 minus x. Okay, so just like question letter A, so we can decide either this one or equation 1 or equation 2. You will rearrange. So let's arrange number 1. Okay. Okay. So it will become negative 4 equals 2x minus y. Or I can rewrite it by 2x minus y equals negative 4. Okay, so this will become my equation number 1. By my new equation number 1. Okay, so by substituting it, so let's substitute equation number 2. So 2x minus, okay, so we have 10 minus x equals negative 4. Okay, so if in the original equation has a negative sign, so where's that? Okay, here, sorry. In here, negative sign, so make sure that it has parentheses. Okay, if positive, no problem. Because the importance of this, when you remove the parentheses, it will become 2x minus 10 plus x equals negative 4. This will become positive because negative 1, it has, this one means negative 1. Okay, negative 1 times 10, negative 10. Negative 1 times negative x is positive x. Okay, so are we clear on that? So again, if the equation has negative, so by substituting it, please put parentheses. But if positive, no problem because there's no changing if plus. Okay? So we have, okay, let's move negative 10 on the other side. So we have 2x plus x equals negative 4 plus 10. Okay, 3x equals 6 over 3 over 3. So x is equal to 2. Okay, you can take note of that in Thai if you want. Again, if the equation has negative and you will substitute, okay, you will replace it by another equation or expression, put parentheses, okay? But if plus, okay, it's okay, no need for parentheses because the answer will be the same. Only by minus. Okay, please take note in Thai if you want, the way you understand what I am saying here. All right. Next, for value of y, okay, the value of y, so let us use equation number 2. So value of y, 10 minus x, y is equal to 10 minus, what's the value again? 2. So y is equal to 8. Two and 8. Yes, okay. If you will look at the equation 1, the original one, y is 8, right? And our value of x is 2. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 4 is 8. And then again, y is 8, so 10 minus x, okay, or 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay, are we clear on that? Now, how about in page 226? I will not give homework or any exercises today. I will just teach and then on Thursday, okay, be ready na. No one will absent, please, because if you are absent, you cannot submit exercises. Okay, for letter A, page 226, number 1. So we have 4x plus y equals 17. And then we have 2x plus y equals 9. Now, unlike that we have answered before, okay, in here, on number, what do you call it? What number is that? Number 3, okay, on exercise 13I. Okay, unlike what we have been answered, okay, on number 3. So this one is different. Okay, both y are positive. So what are we going to do? Okay, how can we, what do you call this? How can we eliminate, okay, y or the variable y? So the first step, okay, you can multiply or you can choose, okay? You can choose either equation 1 or 2. Okay, multiply it by negative 1, okay, both sides. So we have 4x plus y equals 17. And then this will become negative 2x minus y equals negative 9. So now we have one negative and one positive y. So we can eliminate the variable y. So 4 minus 2 is 2x or 4x minus 2x is 2x equals 17 minus 9 is 8. Okay, over 2. So x is equal to 4. Now, again, you can choose either equation 1 or 2 to find the value of y. Okay, so I will choose equation 1 to find the value of y. So we have 4x plus 7 equals 17. So we have 4 times 4, sorry, not plus 7, plus y. Okay. Okay, plus y equals 17. So we have 16 plus y equals 17. So we have y equals 17 minus 16. Y equals 1. So by looking at it, you can see 4 times 4. Okay, 4 times 4 is 16 plus 1 is 17. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay? So that's the meaning of simultaneous equation. The two equations has one value of x and y. They are the same. Next, letter B. So we have 5x plus 2y equals 13. X plus 2y equals 9. Okay, so again, multiply both sides by -1. Okay, so we have, let's remove the equal sign. Okay, so we have 5x plus 2y equals 13. We have negative x minus 2y equals negative 9. Okay, cancel. We have 4x equals 13 minus 9. How many? So we have 4. Okay, over 4 over 4. So we have x equals 1. Okay. Next, to find the value of y, so let us choose. Okay, I will choose now number 2. Okay, the original one. Okay. So x plus 2y equals 9. You can use the original equation, okay? So 1 plus 2y equals 9. Okay, so we have 2y equals 9 minus 1. Okay, 2y equals 8 over 2, both sides. So y is equal to positive 4. Can we check? So 1 plus 2 times 4 is 8, so 1 plus 8 is 9. Correct. And then this one, 5 plus, how many is this? 2 times 4 is 8, so 5 plus 8 is 13. Okay, screenshot or take a picture. Screenshot. So as you can see on letter C, there's no need to multiply by negative, okay, because it has one positive and one negative y. So for those who are open the book, their books, yeah, they can understand what I am saying. For those who are not opening their books, if you understand or not, because you are not following my instruction. So letter D, if you can see that there's one positive 2y and then one negative 2y, so it means there's no need to multiply by negative. So we can apply what we did on our previous example. For letter E, so both negative, so it means we will multiply it by positive. Okay, I will answer letter E now and then we are finished. Okay, for letter E, okay, so 3x minus 4y equals 17, and then x minus 4y equals 3. So since they are both negative, so it means that I have to multiply it by positive, okay? The opposite. So we have 3x minus 4y equals 17. So x, negative to become positive. Okay, still negative. So we have negative x, so and then this will become positive. Okay, 4y and then negative 3. Then cancel. So we have 2x equals 17 minus 3 is 14 over 2 both sides. X is equal to 7. Okay, for value of y, okay, I can use second equation or first, either. So I want to use the second one. X minus 4y equals 3. So x is 7 minus 4y equals 3. Negative 4y equals 3 minus 7. Negative 4y equals negative 4. So y is equal to 1. Okay, so to check, 3 times 7 is 21. Okay, I will write. This one is 21 minus 4 minus 4, yes, is equal to 17. Yes. And then this one, to check, we have 7 minus 4 times 1, okay, 3. So it means that our answers are correct. So again, in quiz and exam, turn to examination. So please practice how to answer this quickly or as fast as you can, so that you can have time to check if your answer is correct or not. Okay? So that's all for today. So I'll see you again on Thursday. So thank you so much. Goodbye.
Thank you, Mr.